Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garand, and today we will make the famous Mediterranean salmon. Now, this is one of my favorite dishes because it's healthy, of course. Very, very simple. It takes no time to make, you will see. And everybody just loves this dish when I make it. So simple. Let's get started. We have our beautiful salmon here. So I've chosen pieces that are equally sized. So it's gonna cook even. And they're here in this dish that's gonna go in the oven. And so let's put that together, quite simple. So here we have our salmon, and we will put a little bit of olive oil, and we'll put some black pepper, and of course we put some salt. Salmon is ready. Now we have our vegetable that go with that. So now remember, this salmon is raw, and it's all gonna cook together in the oven. So what we have for our vegetable is we have some zucchini here. We have some green zucchini, and we also have some yellow zucchini. So you can see that here, and so it's just for the fun of the color. If you don't find the yellow, that's fine. Put all the green, it's okay. So we will mix our zucchini and our cherry tomato here all together. We'll mix that in the bowl here with, of course, salt and pepper again. Now, the seasoning, it's just not the same when we add it on top at the end. It's always good to season every step of your recipe. You add the salt and pepper, and we will put some olive oil here as well, and mix all that together just a bit like this. Doesn't have to be all even, because this is all gonna go here right on top, all mixed like that, and it's all gonna cook together. Just use all this beautiful oil. So here we go, we can even it here, and we're gonna add, so we have the zucchini, we have the tomatoes, and we have here some olive. They are the Greek kalamata, and they're pitted for this recipe. So Greek kalamata, and we have also some capers. Show you the capers here. Voila, little capers here. So, and I left some of the juice here of the caper because it's gonna go through all of that beautiful salmon. So we're just gonna put all of this here on top, and it's all going to cook together, and our recipe is done already. It's just that simple, but you won't believe when you try this how delicious. This is just so nice. So I'm just gonna add this little bit of juice here, and that's ready. It's gonna go in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius for 20 minutes, no more, because we don't want to overcook this beautiful salmon, and our vegetable will stay a little bit crunchy. Our zucchini won't be too soggy or anything. 20 minutes at 400 or 200 Celsius, and that's all. It's ready to go in the oven like this, and then we'll show you the end result very soon. So here we have our salmon. It just came out of the oven, and it's the Mediterranean salmon with all these beautiful vegetables. But I'm here with my guest, Gail, and John is sitting there, and we're just gonna try some of that. So let's just plate it and show you how it comes. I've got some rice here, and I made a rice with quinoa as well. So we're just gonna have some here in the plate, and we're gonna put our salmon on top. So that should be nice. Okay. Smells nice already. A few asparagus, just throw them in just about like this. And then now let's see how that comes out. Okay. Now it cooked for just 20 minutes in the oven with all the vegetable. And we'll put it like this. Aha! There's a little piece missing, but here it's okay. We'll add it on at the end here. And some more vegetable. And voila! This is all ready. Now you see the zucchini, they're still a little bit crunchy. Yeah. That's what we like. And it all takes just all of 20 minutes in the oven at 200 Celsius, and it's ready. So here we are, our Mediterranean salmon. We're going to go and try that. Bon appétit!